Okay, let's get it. All right, guys, today we're going to go over the Celsius network. Okay, Goldman Sachs just put out a report that they could be buying them for $2 billion. We also going to go over what China warns. China give out a warning to their investors that Bitcoin could be going to zero. We're going to look into that, and we're going to also go over the market and see, what's going on with crypto. Let's get it. All right, guys, so if you're new to the channel, my name is Rod Water God. I give you up-to-date information on crypto news and finance information that you need to know about, okay? So if you like hearing information like that, make sure you subscribe to the channel where I give you this up-to-date information. All right, guys, so Goldman Sachs looks to raise $2 billion to buy Celsius Network, all of the assets that they have. My take on this is we got to look at Goldman Sachs could be, behind the whole crash of Celsius and the crash of crypto, okay? They could be players involved. Anytime people are buying things up low, they suspect. They're suspect, okay? Because Celsius was thriving and doing well, and, we know Goldman Sachs wanted to get into the game of crypto. And this is probably the best way that they can get in. But that's how I feel. I feel that it could be that Goldman Sachs could be a part of a group that's definitely a part of that $2 trillion that got wiped out of crypto. All right, so let's go into a little bit of article about the deal. It says the proposed deal would allow investors to buy up to Celsius assets at potential big discounts in the event of a bankruptcy filing. The Wall Street Journal reported early Friday that the crypto lending platform hired restructuring consultants from advisory firm Alvarez and Marsal to advise on a possible bankruptcy filing. The company also engaged law firm Aiken Grump Strauss to advise on possible restructuring options, the Journal reported earlier this month. So they're looking at filing bankruptcy, which means they don't have to pay anybody who had money in their Celsius account. Okay, they're looking at the restructuring options as well, but I think that it's best that they sell. Okay, probably give it to Goldman Sachs, even though I don't think Goldman Sachs or any company that's buying them, they're not going to be for the investors' best interest, in my opinion, okay? But it says here that Goldman Sachs appears to be gauging interest in soliciting commitments from Web3 cryptocurrency funds specializing in distressed assets, and traditional financial institutes with cash on hand. So, to me, man, with all of these articles and everything that's coming out, it just makes me think that crypto is valued more to these big guys than what it seems. Okay, so like buying it for $2 billion. Okay, I'm gonna talk to y'all a little bit more about China, talking about it's gonna go back to zero. Could all of this news and all of this FUD just be coming out so the big guys can buy low? That's what it seems like. Okay, it seems like that's what's going on. Okay, now let's jump right into the China. Okay, heading to zero. China issues shock Bitcoin price warning amid huge $2 trillion crypto crash. So guys, we had $2 trillion leave from the crypto market. Now we got China saying that, hey, it could be Bitcoin's going to zero. All right, so with all of that, it just makes it hard to believe that somebody's getting paid, okay? Somebody's trying to get rich, okay? So it says here now, after Tesla billionaire Elon Musk revealed a surprise crypto bet, a Chinese Communist Party newspaper has warned investors should be prepared for a Bitcoin price to hit zero. All right, I mean, we don't know how far we want to believe what China is saying, because we know that they've been against Bitcoin. They got their new, digital coin that they have. So we should expect them to be against Bitcoin. But all of this FUD is making me seem like this, this is a good time that investors are getting in, buying low prices, and they gonna make a killing, once the market turns around. So that's my thoughts, guys. We're gonna go over the market. Bitcoin's at 21,000. Ethereum's just below 1,200. The market kind of gave a little pump from last week, but we're still at that range where it's still not even $1 trillion market cap. It's only at 984 billion. That means a lot of loss for a lot of people. Okay, it was at 2 trillion. 2 trillion is left. All right, so guys, give me your thoughts on what you think about the crypto market. What do you think about Goldman Sachs buying Celsius? Do you think Celsius can get revived and the investors will get their money back? Or do you think Celsius is going for bankruptcy and then Goldman Sachs is going to buy Celsius so they don't have to pay none of the debt to the investors? It's a tricky situation, but I think it's going to have to benefit both parties for it to work. All right, so guys, that's my take. Leave me a comment. Give me a like if you like content like this. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.